थक गए यार बात करते करते यार. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shruti and I create content on fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. If you are seeing this face for the first time, here we talk everything about lifestyle, beauty, fashion, traveling and hauls of course. So in today's video we'll be talking about a bunch of stuff that I shopped in November and January. December for me was a no shopping month, and these all stuff were something I really wanted to buy for a very long time, and those were on my list agenda to buy basically. If you know me, you know I always have a things to buy a list, and I always keep checking mark if I get to buy something or other thing. And there are some impulse buy as well. I went ahead to H&M and brought a bit of jewelries which was basically not required, but it was on a good deal because obviously New Year and everything was over, and they were literally selling out jewelries, these holiday jewelries for $5. So I really thought I should get my hands on it. It's the best time to get these. And apart from that, there are few essentials as well. I'll talk about it. I got one shoes, I'll talk about that as well. There is a bunch of skincare, Sephora, MAC. Since there was a lot of makeup, jewelry, skincare and accessories, I really thought this video might help you in getting the first swatches of all of that, and if not, then it might entertain you. So without any further talking, let's get started right into the video. So I think let's first talk about this big packet sitting right here. This is from MAC. I ordered a bunch of stuff from MAC. I already have 3-4 products from MAC that I really use. I went to MAC to get my restock of one powder that I'll tell you. So the first product from MAC is MAC NC41 Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This is the powder I'm talking about. So kudos to MAC for getting one more shade in between NC40 and 42. I really love this one. And this is Studio Fix Powder Foundation, and this is what it's like. It also comes with a powder puff. It also comes with a mirror, you can see, and I really like having a mirror, and it's very easy go to, you just do dab 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 and you're done. So I really love this foundation powder. It's very easy to go. The shade goes like this. Can you see? This is my exact shade. Next product that I was literally eyeing to get from MAC was MAC pencil. I literally do not have any MAC lip pencil, and this one in the shade Soar is all over internet. It's there in my wish list for 2024 that I really wanted to get my hands on to this lip liner, and it's obviously pencil which needs to be sharpened, and it goes like this. Such a gorgeous color. Can you guys see this? I think I've got so many products from MAC that I should go ahead and do a full face of MAC makeup. What do you guys think? Let me know if you are really interested in that. I'll definitely create one. The next product that I got from MAC is MAC blush. It's in the shade Desert Rose. So it looks like this. This is how it looks like. Let me do a quick swatch for this. So it's a very nice pinkish blush. How can you visit MAC and not buy yourself a lipstick? So I have got MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Turn to the Left, because I was looking for a very dark lipstick. Can you see? It's really dark, deep dark. Night outs may sometimes it's really look nice to apply a really dark lipstick. Now that everyone is applying neutral, I really want to apply a dark lipstick. Really, this is how the packaging looks like, the classic MAC packaging, and this is deep brown. Oh my god, what happened to this part? This is by the way new. I haven't even opened it, but yeah, this is how it goes like. Can you see? This is brownish tone but very dark. On that note, I also got this MAC eyeshadow palette. So I really wanted a very small tiny size palette because I travel a lot and it's very difficult to carry a big one to your trips, and it gets really bulky. So I decided to buy a small palette. So this palette doesn't have any shade, and the shades are separate. So that was the best part of this, that I get to decide my shades and I can just customize it. I've got the 2 shades. Let me show you the 2 shades as well. Can you see? So this is MAC, the shade in pink. In living pink, I think A53 in living pink. It is such a nice pinky shade, and this one is in the same tone, the pinkish tone, but this is glitter. So I really wanted to have a matte finish and a glitter tone for a palette, because when you are going out, suppose I'm going to a vacation, for day this would really work, and for night this would really work, and you do not need anything more than that on vacation. I really try to not overdo my makeup on vacation, guys. I don't know if that makes sense to you, because I डू नॉट, आई एम लाइक कि फोटोज तो लाइटिंग में अच्छी आ ही जाती है, थोड़ा मेकअप कम कर लो, लेट योर स्किन ब्रीथ. दिस इज हाउ माई पैलेट लुक्स लाइक नाउ, एंड आई जस्ट शो यू. दिस इज अ रियली नाइस पिंक for your eyes, guys. It has bit of sparkle, and this is complete glittery. For night outs this would look really nice. So yeah, these two are my eyeshadows. The next MAC product that I got is MAC Mini MAC Fix Plus. Why I got this in Mini MAC? Because Mini Macs are really easy to travel, and this is such a good product for prepping your skin, for refreshing your skin in general. I am really into hydrating dewy face makeup, and if you are into that, you should definitely try and get your hands onto this one. Okay, so I have got one more lipstick. It looks like red, but this is not red. This is in the shade Dangerous, and this is orange lipstick. So I am trying to get into the vibe of orange makeup. Again, this is this bullet lipstick. This is retro matte lipstick, and the earlier one was powder kiss lipstick. This might look red on camera, guys, but this is not red. This is orange, and let me show you. Yeah, can you see it on my hand that this is orange shade? One product that I got free from MAC is MAC Magic Extension 5mm fiber mascara in small size. So since I shopped for that much of product, they decided to gift me something, and this is the small size of mascara. I'll test it to tell you if it works on my lashes. I do not have a very bushy eyelashes, so if this works for me, it would be really nice. So yeah, that's all for MAC makeup, guys. I think now let's talk about the second box, which is sitting right here. Let's talk about this. Yeah, this is from Sephora. I ordered this in January again. The first product that I ordered, Rare Beauty Positive Light Highlighter. I won't read. Illuminizer, Toucher, Swakes, and this is in the shade Exhilarate. Oh my god, this is a broken piece. Shit. I have to, thankfully I'm boxing in it in front of camera, and oh my god, but I'll tell you the shade. This is the highlighter in the shade Exhilarate, and this has such a bad, oh my god, I can't see it. I can't see, the makeup's going so bad. Let me just raise a request and I'll get back to you guys. Thankfully the return option was open, because I ordered it a week back and I wasn't expecting this to happen. So yeah, this goes back into the box, and I'll just go back and return this one. Anyway, I did show you, right? The highlighter shade was really nice, and when you order from Sephora, and since I order almost every single time from Sephora only, so I get a bunch of free product. Again, this is Moroccan oil styling cream. So basically you can apply this cream before styling, and this is how it is. Free packets. I obviously get a lot of free packets from Sephora every time I shop, and I really love it. Laneige Cream Skin Peptide. This is something that I ordered for, and again this I ordered in very small size, because I wanted to try something first if it's super expensive. And the second thing why I ordered this size is this is the size I can really carry with. छोटे products के साथ बहुत अच्छा है. You get to try the new products also and understand if it's really working, and if it's really working, you go ahead and buy the bigger one. So I really love mini sizes product, guys. One more free product that I got from Sephora is Sol Janeiro. Sol Janeiro is very famous for its bum cream. So this is basically a moisturizer bum cream, which is supposed to be super nice in fragrance, so I'm really excited to try this. So thank you Sephora for always sending free gifts. So now we have done with two major makeup categories, I think, and now I have this packet from H&M. So let's now see what all jewelries I got. So the first piece that I got is this finger ring. You can see it's just so good. This is such a statement piece. This is how it looks like, and this is just so good. The next is this neck piece, which I think I really love, and this would be such a statement piece to carry with my off-shoulder dresses, tops for any party that I'm attending, and I'm really excited for this as well. The next one is this earring. This is a very dainty piece, and I think such a statement earring. Next is this black rhinestone silver kind of jewelry. So I had a lot of silver jewelries with me, but I had nothing in black base, so I really wanted to get a black hoop. Oh, this is my favorite piece, guys. This is my favorite piece. This is a big pearl statement piece, and there is this rhinestone detailing going on all over here, and this is just so nice. Oh my god. Okay, the next product is again rhinestone in silver, and this is like this. Rhinestones are trending all over internet, but happy that I got something like. Okay, next product that I got is again this gold dainty jewelry. I loved it. There is no doubt that I can wear this so many times. It's very elegant. This is my favorite. I think this was the most expensive one from the lot, and this is like this. This is how it looks like. I can pair this with any rhinestone jewelry. I have got 231, and I think it will really look bomb. No, this is only H&M jewelry. I also have a H&M shoes that I got on sale, and this was something that I was really happy about because it was a nice deal, guys. And this is how it looks like. This is for USD 17, that is written over here, but I don't know how much it was for, but it was not that expensive. This is so nice. This has esprit detailing, and this is of canvas. When I tried this in store, it was super comfortable, so I also can't wait to style it. So I got this clutcher from H&M. It's there in the billing section. I love putting my hair up in a bun and just apply a claw clip, so for that it would be super useful. Oh, I didn't show you this now. So this is I got for free from MAC. This because I shopped for that much amount, and there was this offer going on. If you'll shop more than that, they will give you this. So I got this. Such a nice tote bag. This is something I got from Amazon, guys, because my hair was getting wet every time I was washing my face and I was doing my skincare. So I really wanted to get something cute. This is cute, and I really hope I'll get a lot of use of it. By the way, guys, I'll link all the products in the description box below, so if you are interested, you can get your hands on it. None of the product is obviously sponsored. Oh, one skincare product that I ordered is L'Oreal Paris 2.5% hyaluronic caffeine brightening eye serum. I have seen this, like so many people are using this one, and they all are talking so good about it. I do not have a black under eye dark circle problem, but I do feel ki I have a lot of puffiness and everything, and caffeine really helps with it. It claims that younger looking eyes in 2 weeks. So I really want to see that, how young my eyes start looking. Moving on to my next product is this Plum Serum Starter Pack. Guys, if you have seen my Nykaa haul, you remember I said ki I have ordered for few more stuff, but it is taking time to arrive. So it was one of them. So I ordered this one because I was using Plum Vitamin C Face Serum and I really loved it. And I wanted to try all the serum range from Plum, but I do not wanted to spend that much money on each bigger bottle, so I got this one. This I really think is a very good for beginners. The bottles are definitely only for trial purpose, and there is not much stuff because it says it only has 3 ml product. So but you can definitely get this one if you want to try all the products from Plum, all the Plum serum range. The next product that I got from Nykaa from India in November is this Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo. I got this because I really wanted to try this duo blush powder from Nykaa. It is such a nice packaging, yeah. This packaging looks a lot like MAC ka eyeshadow palette, right? This is how the two blush look like, and these two are in the shade, let me check if they have, oh, they say it's in Brazilian Bombshell, so no separate shade name. This is how this one looks like. It's so nice. It's peachish color and this is more pinkish. I think I'll use this one more. I think I'll use this one more. There's more warm tone which is going nicely on my skin. Yeah, that's a blush duo palette from Nykaa. I'm very excited to try it. I think I should make two makeup videos. One is MAC all products MAC makeup, and one should be all products affordable Nykaa slash Maybelline kind of makeup. Let me know if you guys are interested in any of those. Let me know in the comment section. Oh, I ordered two lingerie from SKIMS this time because first, you shouldn't overwear your lingerie, and you should always keep changing it. And second, I really wanted to try SKIMS for a very long time. So the first product that I ordered for is this strapless bra. There are the straps, but it comes out very easily, and this is the first product that I got. It's in the black color. SKIMS is very famous for its quality. If you guys do not know, it's a Kim Kardashian brand, and so when I tried it, I really loved the fitting and everything. The second product that I got, and even I was shocked because this was one of their very viral product, is this spaghetti. This is just a normal spaghetti. I mean, this is just super normal. But can you see the size? It's just this much. How it would fit me? And I was like, oh my god, again I have to return something from SKIMS. But no, I didn't have to return. This fits completely perfectly. It's super stretchable, guys. It's super stretchable and it sits very comfortably on your bust, and it's not like irritating ki aise you have to do. Super nice. Super. I highly recommend SKIMS as a brand. Moving on to another Amazon favorite which I restocked this in November is from Palais. These are the silicone pasties and this is how it looks like. So there are multiple, I think there are 1, 2, 3. So there are basically 4 pairs of stick-ons that's available, and also in this cute box. This is from the brand Palais, guys. Just so good, guys. So if you're looking for a good budget-friendly pasties, this is your best friend. Another product that I got is CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is again a restock because my cleanser, Cetaphil cleanser, which I was using for travel basically every time, got finished this trip when I was traveling to India. So I had to get my hands onto this CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I have tried CeraVe moisturizers, sunscreens and everything, but I have never tried CeraVe ka cleanser. So I'm really looking forward to it. It says it's normal to dry skin. Next product is so basically this is a set of straw. This is a set of 4 straw that I got from Amazon. Obviously it also comes with a brush to clean your straws, so I really love this. So one more product that I ordered is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It also has SPF 25. Neutrogena was a rage few years back. Everyone was using it, and it's kind of dupe to Clinique Moisture Surge, which is super expensive. So I got my hands to this. I had already used it 5 to 6 years back, but I do not know why I never got back and purchased this one. So this is what I got. This I especially got since it is a oil free and it's not thick. I got it for my under makeup moisturizer. I think it would be really nice for my day moisturizer. And now we are almost done with the video. The last product that I got is Samsonite passport holder. So whenever you travel for a really long flight and take lot of hops, it's very important to have something like this, because now I also have 2 passport. My husband has 2 passport, and then you have a lot of boarding passes to keep. Times it just got misplaced, so I ordered this. That's it for my video, guys. This is all I shopped for: makeup, skincare, jewelry, shoes and random stuff. And I hope you really enjoyed watching it. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. If you want any video out of it, let me know. I'll definitely create one. And with that, bye bye. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.